You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I did this quick high puff on short natural hair. I started off on a previous twist out that I did, and what I'm going to do is just try to revive the hair first before I get started using the Camille Rose twisting butter. And if you guys haven't already used this product, I just want to say that it smells amazing. It smells edible, if that gives you an idea of how wonderful it smells. But I'm going to go ahead and use that and a little bit of water, not too much because you don't want your hair to revert. And then I'm going to massage that through and kind of start to detangle some of the ends of my hair where the hair was twisted from the twist out. And then I'm gonna get started.
Y'all need niggas with figures, that's figures on figures. Oh, how they click shit bigger and bigger. Dreams to seniors, we upgraded. Come visit, girl, fuck.
Now I'm gonna be taking my oil blend and just making sure I coat that oil on my edges all around the perimeter of my head, just to make sure that it is protected right before I put the Gorilla Snot glue. This is what works for me. It holds my hair down. You know the struggle if you have 4C hair to get your edges laid, to just get your hair laid to begin with. And so I find that this works. So I went ahead and used this, but I wanted to protect my hair by coating it with some thick oils before applying it and then brushing it up towards the middle to create that high bun effect. So me using this bra strap is the epitome of you could take the girl out the hood, but you can't take the hood out the girl. I did not have the stretchy band that I normally use to make my high bun, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this. It works all the same, and it came out perfect, so I'm not tripping. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and try clamping this in the front and molding it to that high bun right before I start twisting. The key to making this hairstyle quick as possible is twisting these twists with no precision. You don't even have to start at the root with these twists, to be quite honest, because you're going to tease your roots for volume at the end anyway. So I just literally took a section, like a chunk of hair, and just started twisting. I made sure that the ends were not tangled, and I twirled the ends as well to make sure that I get that great curl at the very end so that it can look real nice. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and I am going to unravel these twists. I'm going to tease the roots of these twists to give me some volume, and I'm going to redo the bra strap. I didn't like how the back laid down when I did the first time, so I'm just going to brush it up again and then reapply the bra strap, and then we'll be good to go. Coming to the end, I'm going to hit those edges real quick right before we are done and ready to walk out the door. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I am in love with this high puff. It reminds me of a succulent plant, if you know what that is. It's kind of funny. But that's just my beautiful texture hair. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, thanks guys, bye.